Hey guys, it's BC228 back with another Aftermath Lycon Airsoft review. And today my new targets are going to be that red blood pack thing right there. I'm going to shoot that up pretty good, and those two DVDs right there. That could be the person's face or whatever. So let's see how this goes. I'm just going to unload. Safety goggles. Yeah. Looks like hasn't penetrated anything yet. Okay. Second round. Let's check it out. Wow. Oh, it's about to crack. Yeah, not yet. If it doesn't crack this time, we're going to move on to the DVDs. Oh, we got a crack. Bleeding. Barely, but slowly but surely. Killing. Oh, wow. Check this out. We got some major damage right here. And we have some cracks starting to form right here. But just gotta keep waiting. Pretty tough plastic right there. There we go. I'm gonna do one last round of this red pack of blood. Oh, now it's really squirting. Oh, now it's going on the DVD. Okay, DVDs, here we go. Wow. Pretty torn up. This is a way bigger crack now. Red blood squirting out. Yeah. Finally cracked this. It's an Airsoft. It holds BBs. You get it at Walmart. Plus you can tin for plastic, which apparently it does. It's slowly bleeding out. And then our DVDs aren't looking too good either. Let's try this one last time. Here we go. Okay. Let's see if I can completely take it out. Here we go. DVDs first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now the red. The red. Oh gosh. It is not like that. Keeping it right in the center. It's only bursting out now. Okay, now I'm going to put this DVD up against here. See what happens. Yeah. See. 3, 2, 1. Gosh. Stupid DVD. Oh gosh. Oh wow, ripped all the reading stuff out. Gosh. Saying well, totally destroyed, but pretty much toast. Oh gosh. Okay. Anyway, pretty much the end of this review. One final grand finale.